Good Saturday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Johnny Lively for our weekend update, which is sponsored by HB Neal Construction. We look at the Tamco Live Doppler radar. You can actually see a little bit of drizzle going on just north of the Conroe region, moving eastward. I don't think this is really going to do much of anything. Still have high pressure off towards the east, so we're going to be mostly dry this weekend. Some showers are possible tomorrow on Sunday, but a mostly dry day is expected today. It's pretty dry this morning, but if you're looking for some showers and thunderstorms, you can find that in parts of the Red River, really active towards Chicago and Indianapolis right now. There's going to be some big time severe weather going on into the Plains region today, again tomorrow on Sunday, and another round on Monday. None of that is an issue for us, but it does get pretty active this upcoming week. Let's look at the satellite radar sponsored by Tamco Hailguard Beyond Class 4. We're going to see the chance for some large hail in parts of the plain regions today, Sunday, and Monday, and we'll talk more on that. But if we look at our satellite radar, we're just seeing some clouds moving in, not much of anything this morning. It is a warm, humid morning, and it is going to continue warming up the next couple of mornings. Our overnight lows will be staying in the middle to upper 70s on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday this week. Look how warm it is across the south just in general. We've got 70s all the way up into Oklahoma. This is the reason that we're going to see the plains having severe weather the next couple of days. Not many areas in the 50s and 40s like we've seen earlier this week. You can parts to the east or far off to the north. It is warm and humid pretty much all across the board, thanks to a sponsor of Do Good Credit Union. But if we zoom into southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana, not many upper 60s anymore. In fact, we're going to continue getting warmer the next couple of mornings, but we're mainly into the low 70s down towards the coast in the middle to upper 70s already, thanks to a sponsor of Neutron Electrical Services. If you need any electrical services, definitely give a shout out or a call to our good old sponsor, Neutron. Look how warm it has been just the last 24 hours. And again, it's going to continue changing the next 24 to 48 hours. Warmer overnight lows are on the way. Thanks to Do Good, we can see we're anywhere from 3, 4, some areas 6 degrees warmer than we were yesterday on Friday. And we're going to continue getting warmer. Really warm day is on tap for us. A nice outdoor forecast, though. The only thing we're going to be dealing with that we need to watch for, but still shouldn't be a problem, is going to be the breezy wind conditions. 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts are definitely possible today. Gets a little bit more windier tomorrow on Sunday and again on Monday as well. But other than that, it's a mostly calm and mostly dry day. Temperatures getting into the mid 80s fairly quickly. We eventually top out into the upper 80s. Some areas getting into that 90-degree mark later this afternoon. But thanks to our sponsor of Modern Concrete Material, we have a general timeline of what we're seeing today, very similar to what we've had pretty much all week long. Mostly dry conditions, just really warm and kind of getting breezy in the afternoon hours. It's going to get very active, though, and not in our neck of the woods right now in the next 2 to 3 days. We start getting active Tuesday and Wednesday, but we're going to be watching for some pretty strong severe weather, significant severe weather. Today, there's going to be a chance for large hail damaging winds. You see the strong southerly flow. That's why it's going to be breezy here locally. All of that is going into Colorado and parts of Nebraska and Kansas later this afternoon. We put this in motion thanks to our sponsor of Tamco Hailguard. This is going to bring the potential for strong damaging winds and large hail in that orange shaded region, even in the yellow shaded region as well too. We will watch for the potential for tornadoes. If we continue to keep moving along, this threat shifts just to the east on Sunday. One thing that we really need to watch for on Sunday, this is not a problem for us, for these areas, and I'm sure we'll see the slight risk all the way down into the parts of the Texas panhandle region, but you see these isolated thunderstorms that fire up into the somewhat of this line. You add in the strong wind shear that's going to be in play on Sunday afternoon, mainly Sunday evening. This now increases the tornado threat coming in on Sunday evening. So not only is significant large hail going to be an issue and strong winds, but we could see some strong tornadoes in these areas in the yellow, especially in the orange shaded region. Then on Monday, same general areas, just down a little bit further toward the southeast, you can see a very large span there in the orange into the yellow. Another round of large hail damaging winds, but we will watch for the potential for another round for strong tornadoes as well too, mainly into Kansas, into parts of Nebraska, into Missouri as well too, even Iowa. So the next couple of days, it's going to breezy. It's going to be breezy here in southeast Texas, just from showers are possible. The reason why is we're the moisture transport. All the moisture in the Gulf is going to the central plains and the northern plains. So that's why it's breezy here locally. But if we continue to watch, all of that will be an issue far off towards the north. Nothing going on here really locally. Just some showers are definitely possible. Monday afternoon, Monday evening coverage picks up a little bit. We might see a storm. We're going to dive into that here in just a second. Here's a rainfall outlook. So if we were looking at all the severe weather outlooks, it's going to be active Saturday. It's going to be active Sunday. And it's going to be active Monday. Not for us, all towards the north. So if you look at our shower potential, we have some isolated showers possible on Sunday. Coverage picks up a little bit on Monday afternoon and Monday evening. We'll watch to see if we get any storms Monday evening, but all of this really changes once we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. That's our round for locally heavy rainfall possible, and we have some lingering rain even on Thursday and Friday as well too. So really active week is shaping up for us. So we just talked about the chance for some severe weather Sunday and Monday, even today as well too, but Sunday and Monday we see the system going through the plains. Here we are Monday afternoon, Monday evening. There it is. Why are we talking about it? Because this is actually going to develop a weak front Monday night into Tuesday. This pushes into the Lone Star State. Here we are by Tuesday afternoon. That weak front moves into the Waco and Dallas region. Watch a line of showers and thunderstorms develop. This is going to move into southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana Tuesday afternoon, mainly into Tuesday night. So Tuesday evening, and then again on Wednesday, we have the potential for some locally heavy rainfall. So this boundary likely will redevelop on the I-10 corridor. This will help us get some more showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. We continue to keep doing it on Thursday as well too. Again on Friday. And then this is just going to be somewhat of an active week. But today, it's not going to be that active. It's going to be mostly dry. Temperatures into the middle to upper 80s. Some spots getting to the 90-degree mark. Down towards the coast will be into the upper 70s, mainly into the low 80s. Thanks to our sponsor of Silsby Ford. Get you one. Then overnight tonight, again, these lows are going to continue getting warmer, but as you see, big change versus last night. We're mainly going to be into the middle to some areas in the upper 70s down to the coast, close to the 80-degree mark. Thanks again to our sponsor of Silsby Ford. Get you one. 7-day forecast for southeast Texas. This weekend is mostly quiet. We do see some shower potential on Sunday, but we're going to be pretty breezy, but our rain potential is definitely ramping up as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, still sticking around on Thursday and Friday. Some locally heavy rainfall is definitely possible this week. 1 to 2 inches definitely is likely. Some isolated areas could get even higher amounts than that. So we'll continue to keep watching that. Same thing for southwest Louisiana. Some breezy wind conditions this weekend. Mostly dry. Coverage does pick up a little bit on Sunday, but we really start increasing as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, and still keeping the rain chances around as we get into the end of the week. Wonderful time to go download the free Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app. It will keep you updated no matter where you are. If you have friends and family traveling where the severe weather is far off towards the north, this app will keep you updated or keep them updated. And then for us, it will keep you updated with any small changes that we have in the forecast regarding the rain this upcoming week. So kind of to sum it up again, there's going to be lots of severe weather far towards the north. This is no issue for us. We have the shower potential mainly on Sunday, very isolated. Picks up a little bit on Monday, but we really will watch for some locally heavy rainfall potential Tuesday and Wednesday, and still in play on Thursday and Friday. So thanks again for tuning in for the Saturday morning show. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. We'll have lots of updates this weekend, especially regarding the locally heavy rainfall potential on Tuesday and Wednesday, and really as we get into the middle to the end of the week. So y'all have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for tuning in. I will see y'all again Monday morning video-wise. But again, we will have lots of updates on our app and our Facebook page. Have a wonderful weekend. Thanks again for tuning in.
Gulf Coast Weather Solutions is sponsored by
At Gulf Coast Weather Solutions, we focus on delivering reliable weather forecasts. Our new app provides reliable weather updates and alerts no matter where you are. With real-time weather alerts and warnings, you can stay informed and prepared wherever you go. Download the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app today on the App Store and Google Play, and stay connected no matter where you are.